A lot of people mistakenly think you need a fancy camera to make cooking videos. Probably the number one question I get is, what camera am I using? And the fact is, these days, all you really need to start a cooking show is the smartphone that you already have. The first thing you need is a smartphone tripod adapter like this one so you can secure your phone. I recommend this one because it's metal and it's not going to break, and it has a mount at the top where you can attach your wireless microphone that you're going to need. So you secure your phone inside the tripod adapter, and then you connect your wireless mic. The wireless mic system I recommend is the Godox MoveLink M2. I recommend it because it's extremely inexpensive. It works really well. I've been using it for years, and it includes all the parts that you're going to need to make this work, which some of the microphone systems don't. They don't include all the pieces that you're going to need. That mic comes with these two cables. One of them's for using with a regular camera. The red one is the one that you're going to use for connecting to a smartphone. This is a specialty cable. It's an adapter cable. One end is black, the other end is gray. The black end you plug into the receiver for your microphone system. And if you're using an Android phone that has a headphone jack, you can plug this directly in. If you're using an iPhone, you're going to need a dongle like this. This little dongle is going to cost you about $8, $8 to $10. So you connect the cable into the dongle, and then you plug the dongle into your phone, and now you're able to attach a wireless microphone system with your smartphone. This is the only way this is going to work. A lot of people have a problem when they try to connect a wireless system or any mic system to their smartphone, and the main problem is the cable. They're using either the wrong cable. This is the wrong cable. You have to use the red cable if you're using the Godox system that I'm recommending. You have to use the red cable, and you have to plug it in correctly. The black end goes into the receiver for the microphone, and the gray end plugs in either directly into your phone or into the dongle that plugs into your phone. This is the only way this is going to work. So there's one right way to do it, and I just showed it to you. Now you can connect your camera to a tripod so that you can record yourself. You can use a tabletop tripod like the one you see here, or you can use a floor standing tripod. There's really no right or wrong answer. It's really based on what type of kitchen situation you have and what type of cooking show you're trying to create. The final thing you need is a quality video light. I recommend the Aputure P60X because that's what I use. It's a high quality light, it's inexpensive, and it delivers a lot of light. With a quality video light, your phone will be able to deliver excellent video quality. And speaking of video quality, make sure your phone is set to record in 4K at 24 frames per second. Recording in 4K allows you to punch in and reframe like you see me doing here, so when you edit your videos, you can make one camera appear to be multiple cameras. Any smartphone from 2018 or later is more than enough to deliver excellent video quality for your cooking show. For a high quality video, you just need to add a mic, a quality video light, and make sure you record your video horizontally because about half of YouTube viewers watch YouTube on their TV. So you need to make sure your video is formatted for people to enjoy it on their big screen. So that's it. That will get you started with your cooking show. And if you need more help, use the link in the description box to learn about my Cooking Show Accelerator program, where I review your videos and give you feedback to help you get your cooking show started. You'll also want to check out this video so you can learn how simple it is to use a cooking show to build a lifestyle business that you can run from your home or from anywhere in the world. You can change your life with a cooking show as soon as you decide to do it. You can use a cooking show to quit your job, and for some people, a cooking show is the retirement income solution that you're looking for. You can pay all your bills from hosting a cooking show inside your home, and all you need is your smartphone to get started.